Hello guys, see in this video tutorial I will show you how you will upload any videos on your Instagram. As we know that there are various kind of the qualities of the video we can record. Yes, from my device that is a cell phone, yeah, your PC, yeah, cameras, that doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter what's the quality of your video. Just I will show you that's how you will make any qualities of video, yes, eligible to upload on a Instagram. As we know, there is a special qualities of the videos is required to upload. So here firstly I have to download Gramblr. This is applications, as we know, it's easily available on a Google. Just to download, then install in your PC, your laptop. Then after installing you have to sign up. As we know that if you're having the problem to download these Gramblr applications, then of course I will give you the link directly from there, of course, below my description box of my channel. Yes, easily and directly you will download. And after installing I have to, yes, come here, sign up. There is nothing a specific protocol that we have to put here. It's a totally free. So here see, you have to put your email ID, password, confirm password, voluntary password you have to keep whatever you would like to, because this will be of course a really permanent account on a Gramblr website. So now Instagram, of course, user name you have to put here, and Instagram password whatever is your. So now I have to sign up, but I will not sign up here. Why it shows? Because I have already. So here, as we know, of course I have to enter the password. So I will enter the password. Then of course there will be option, yes, that you have to drag, yeah, drop any image, any photos, yeah, any videos. If that doesn't matter what's the qualities of your content, just drag here. So suppose, as we know, these all are the videos in the quality of MP4, but I will of course, yes, I will make eligible to upload on Instagram, because as we know that MP4 is not, yes, eligible to upload on Instagram. So suppose, yes, here I have selected this. It will take a scarcely 20 minutes. As we know, these videos, yes, as we know, timing, as we know, that's of your any videos content, that should be timing only one, yes, less than 60 seconds. So here, as we know, total videos timing of this especially video, as we know, more than 4 minutes, but I have to crop because of, as we know, less than 60-second video content only is eligible on a, yes, eligible to upload on Instagram. So here I have to, here you can crop less than 60 seconds. So from there, see, from here to here, actually I would like to crop. So you have to, of course, also you have to select dimension of your video. So this one is fine. We will click on thumb, and after clicking on thumb, of course it will cropped. Then there will be one options, of course, will appear, and by that there will be two messages. One message will be immediately upload, yeah, after some time, yeah, other some time, of course you would like to upload this video. So this app will of course automatically, of course, upload this video. How? If we are here, Why? Because some other time is specific, you have to mention here and you have to send here. Of course you have to mention detail of your video here, and of course definitely don't forget to give a thumbs up. And after giving thumb here, of course you have to mention detail. Then here immediately I have to upload. So see, let's check up, yes, from especially what is the quality of a video, as well as yes, from especially what time to time actually I have cropped the video. So let's click here. Now see, that's fine, especially whatever I have cropped. Now I have to only here click send, and of course it will take a scarcely 1 minute, because here is a clearly mentioned that yes, this should take yes minute if you have reliable internet facilities. So here, if you have a good internet connection, scarcely it will take 1 to 5 minutes of course, and it will be automatically appear on your Instagram profiles, of course. So this is all about in these video tutorials. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Have a great time, and of course it's my humble request that if this video tutorial has benefited to you in any way, then please like and subscribe and share of my channel, because this is the only one way that will inspire to me to make more and more videos for education purpose. Thank you very much. Have a great